By the end of this video, not only will you know what your niche is, but you will have a full game plan on how to build your niche into an empire. Stick around because in this video, I'm dropping fire. By the way, you are not alone. Picking a niche is not easy. It's like picking a lane in traffic. Pick a wrong lane, you'll get stuck in traffic, and that's very irritating. It'll even get you late. See, why you want to pick the right lane, the right niche in the beginning. So let me help you pick your niche, a niche that will help to grow you, not just your views or your channel, a niche that will help you grow as a creative. So what is a niche? Let's break it down. A niche is like an aisle at a supermarket. A supermarket has different aisles. It has one for tech gadgets, it has one for fitness, it has one for sports clothes, it has one for dog food and all that, you know? And so you want to stand to plant your flag in one of those aisles where the people are coming and they will walk through. So let's say if you're selling milk, for example, you don't want to station yourself in a dog food section because people will not buy. Okay, so what are the 3 ways that can help you pick the right niche for you? The first niche is the plan method. P-L-A-N, yes, planned method. And P stands for passion. Do you have enough passion for this topic idea that you want to discuss, that you want to create content around? Are you able to wake up at 2 a.m. in the morning and without preparation talk about this topic? Are you that passionate about it? Yes, that is one thing you want to consider. And the L in the plan method is learnability. Are you able to learn about it? Is there a lot that you can learn about this idea? Expand it. Is it fun for you to do? The A stands for your audience. Is there an audience already consuming this content idea? Look on YouTube, type in the idea, see if there's videos, how many views, what audience is there, you know, how many views do these video ideas get, and so on. And then the N part of plan stands for need. Is there a need in this space, in this idea? Is there a need that you can cover? Are you able to create content that can entertain in this niche, meaning provide value that's not already there? And to test your plan theory, list down 5 things you could talk about in these videos that you want to create non-stop for 30 minutes. And if you are able to come up with those, then you have got a good starting point. A second way to help you choose a niche is by blending your interest. Let's say you have 2 interest ideas, blend them together and see what you come up with. An example, let's say you're a photographer and then you like telling stories, right? So then this means your content could revolve around you telling visual stories through photography, you know? So there's many ways you can fuse or blend 2 ideas together to create your niche. Remembering that you are creating a world, you're creating your own space, and in this space you want to be original. By being you, being yourself, this will help you to stand out and be original with your content. And so a third way to help you choose a niche is by first going laser focus into one idea and then later flashlighting out, meaning you go laser focus in on one topic idea and then you branch out later. What do I mean by this? A good example is, let's say you want to start with street photography, for instance. Okay, I'm able to talk about street photography and come up with photography topic ideas because I'm a photographer, by the way. So let's say you talk about photography first, and then later, after building a little bit of audience with that video, and then you start talking about gear review, like gear that you can use in street photography, and then maybe talk about some editing skills on your third video, fourth, fifth video, whatever, you know, and then you talk about storytelling as well, you know, and that's how you can branch out with your niche, remembering that Rome was not built in one day. So you start with one specific idea. As you grow gradually, you can then expand. You can then do add-ons to your niche idea. So then what if you already have a YouTube channel and you've created content around many different topic ideas, multiple topic ideas. You're confused, both yourself and your audience, because they also don't know what your channel is about. No worries. This is where this next idea comes into play. It's very important to build on what you already know. Go back into yourself, ask yourself, who am I? What do I know? What are my passions? What can I really create content about that is me, that is original? In doing this, you're able to shape the mess that you created in the first place. You can create content that become effortless, that even your audience can identify you by. So how do you do this? Go into your channel, look at what's already working, look at all your videos. What of these videos are receiving views, and how can you capitalize on these videos that you've created? Like, what of this content that I've already created got a lot of views? Because this is the data telling you what your audience enjoy about you. So see if you can create more like content for your channel. And tip number 2 has to do with creating a series around one specific idea. Create a series on this video content idea that got a lot of views. Let's say, for instance, the video is how to do street photography for beginners. Next, in the same theme, you could talk about top 5 cameras under $500 for street photography. Get what I'm saying? And then maybe after that, you could say, you could create a video like how I capture emotions in my street photos, you know, like that. A good exercise is brainstorm videos. Let's say you come up with a video topic idea and then ask yourself, what 3 other spin-offs can I create? What other related topics can I create from this one single video idea? Because then that way, when your audience enjoy your video, they are able to watch other videos on your channel that has relevance, that have relatability to the previous video that they enjoyed. This is what keeps your audience onto your channel and help you build a community at the same time. Here is how to remember your niche direction. Imagine you're sitting around a campfire and you are talking. Ask yourself, what is that thing that I talk about that get people leaning in and wanting to hear more? You know, what is that one thing that I love talking about so much that people can't get enough hearing about, you know? That is your niche. Stick to what you know and talk about what is naturally you, and this will help you grow that niche. With that said, I want to say that your niche is not a prison. You are not stuck, but your niche is just like a launching pad. You want to pick a niche so that you can gain speed, but in the long run you want to build trust. You want to provide a real value, and you want to provide good connection with your audience, and you can branch out in the future. But in the beginning, it's very important to have a niche. Also remembering that you're not just picking a niche, you are planting a tree that 1 million people will one day feed on. Okay, so don't wait, plant that tree today so that it has time to grow. Okay, if you felt the fire in this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.